Hello and welcome back. That's right, I'm back again with another 3-pack of Awakening of the New Era. I can't buy a box because I'm not made of money, but I can occasionally treat myself to, to a set I'm looking to pull from. Aren't we all? Let's see what we get. Oh, I can't think of a better start than John Giant. Nola, is that Bunny Joe? Robin, Daz Bones, Gamma Knife, Basil Hawkins, Nico Robin, Punk Rotten. Hey, don't have one of these. Leader card, Shakazuki, pretty nice. We got ourselves a rare Virgo and a rare Morley. Okay. You know what? New leader is always a good day. Always a good day. Pack number 4. Oh, I see a purple border. That's pretty cool. Buffalo. Hakuba Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Captain Mac, Basil Hawkins. I don't know why I can't speak any more Jinbe. Incredible art in Jinbe. Love that. Hino Bird Zap, Kotori, Don Quixote Don Flamingo. Very nice looking art on that as well. It's looking pretty sick. Hey, another leader. Monkey D. Luffy. Purple Luffy. Happy days. Oh, rare Hina. And Karasu. And we also get ourselves quite a nice Dawn card actually. Very nice Dawn card. Not bad. You know, not like break the world or anything, but not bad. Couple leaders, couple rares. A Dawn card? Okay. But, you know what? We'd like an SR. We'd like an SR, wouldn't we? As always, we'd like an SR. Chopper, Emon, Robin, Captain McKinley, Saint Charles, Lieutenant Spacey, Hack. I love that on that card. Charles Stone, Amazon, Unami. Oh, second Shakazuki. Oh, I know a man who can take that. Bello Betty. And okay, because the side of justice will be whichever side wins. Okay, that's that, guys. Quick run through it. Boom. Boom. So no big hits for us today. Shakazuki, Monkey D. Luffy, Shakazuki, all my leaders, because the side of justice will be whichever side wins. Bello Betty, Karasu, Hina, Morley, and Virgo. And of course, actually maybe my favourite card, which is a bit silly, but because it's just a Dawn, but I like the art on it. You know what? That gets my award of the day. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you all next time.